Mickey Mouse, what did you do? Mickey Mouse?
What the fuck's wrong with you, man?
Mickey Mouse, what did you say about Minnie? I said Mickey Mouse is a bitch!
Mickey Mouse, you had to deal with Minnie Mouse. I do not like her, haha.
Do you know how much Jack is gonna kill you?
And he's not gonna like you?
Hey! What is going on?
What's going on with this argument? Everyone was talking about Minnie Mouse. But Donald didn't say it, Big Bird didn't say it, I didn't say it, Goofy didn't say it. Alright, then...
Who did this? Oh, that was Jack.
Mickey Mouse.
You calling me a bitch! That was Donald. Well, you was Goofy. Bitch, it was not me, motherfucker. Oh, baby, if it wasn't Donald, it was probably Goofy.
Or maybe it was Grover or someone else who did.
That was Big Bird.
Minnie
Jack,
Mouse.
I swear to God, it was Big Bird. Yup. What? No, I didn't.
Minnie Mouse.
Jack, it was Grover, I swear. Oh, excuse me, Big Boy. It was you. Don't you dare lie to me. No, it was you. Shut up. Oh, I'm sorry. Do you
Did they call Minnie Mouse
No,
names?
you don't.
Or Minnie Mouse had to call you her names? No, you don't. I don't call Minnie Mouse names. I call her Pretty because Minnie Mouse, she had a lot of exceptions because she had to divorce Mickey Mouse to do the dishes. Like, yeah, she also do that for her life. Well, excuse me, Big Bird. Who told Mickey Mouse to do the dishes? It was probably Minnie Mouse. She was really good at telling Mickey Mouse to divorce. Oh, I'm sorry. Did they tell you how to divorce Mickey Mouse? No, you don't.
No, it was you, Big Bird. Stop.
Minnie Mouse, what is going on here?
You're about to find out, lizard! Goji!
Meat, Mouse! Double.
Moments later, this happened.
Well, where the hell's my rent, you freaking duck? I'm sorry, Mickey Mouse, but I don't have one. Oh, you don't have my rent? Well, you better, because I'm about to put you in your place, pal. Well, you're not supposed to be Mickey Mouse. I don't have my rent. I'm sorry, I won't pay you next week, Mickey Mouse, okay? Gosh. No! You're gonna give me my rent right now, whether you like it or not. You understand me, pal? I want to charge you. I don't have it, Mickey Mouse. Oh, you don't have it?
Double.
3 hours later.
Bala, hey, Goofy, do you have your rent, pal?
What are you talking about, Mickey Mouse? I don't pay rent.
Well, guess what, Goofy? Starting today, you're gonna pay rent every single month, pal, and you're gonna pay me $1,000 a month. So you better pay up right now, Goofy, or I'm kicking.
$1,000? Oh, hell no, Mickey Mouse. I ain't paying you that stupid freaking amount. You can kiss my right mirror, man.
Then you can get out of my freaking house with that kind of attitude, man. Because guess what? You're gonna pay me whether you like it or not, you scumbag.
Guess what? You're gonna make me, you rat.
Oh, I'll make you get out of here, pal.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
you ever try to kick me out of this house, and you're gonna pay me rent. You understand me? That's not how